Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to our session on the end-to-end journey of chat in a contact center. Today, we'll explore how chat interactions seamlessly flow from the moment a customer initiates a conversation to the final resolution and beyond. We'll uncover each stage, from automated chatbots handling routine queries to live agents stepping in for complex issues, and AI-powered analytics providing real-time insights for continuous improvement. This journey highlights how modern contact centers combine speed, personalization, and efficiency to deliver exceptional customer experiences in a digital-first world. Let's dive in and see how each step works together to create a frictionless and engaging chat experience for customers and businesses alike. The journey begins the moment a customer decides to start a chat. Today, this can happen in multiple ways, each designed for convenience and speed. It might start on a company's website through the familiar Chat with Us Now widget, a simple click connecting the customer to support in real time. Or, it could be on a mobile app, banking, e-commerce, or retail, where help is just one tap away, right inside the platform the customer already uses. Increasingly, customers also prefer popular messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or even traditional SMS. These channels feel natural, personal, and accessible anytime, anywhere. Imagine a customer typing, "I need help tracking my order." This first step sets everything in motion. The system receives the message, initiates the chat session, and begins preparing the right path for resolution, seamlessly bridging the gap between the customer and the help they need. Once the customer sends their message, it travels through the channel gateway, the intelligent bridge connecting customer conversations from multiple sources to the contact center. Whether it's a WhatsApp Business API, a web SDK from the company's website, or a social media API from platforms like Facebook Messenger or Instagram, the gateway ensures every message, text, emoji, image, or attachment is standardized into a single, consistent format. This process is crucial because it allows the contact center platform to read, interpret, and process all messages uniformly, no matter where they come from. At the same time, smart filters work quietly in the background, detecting and blocking spam or irrelevant messages, so only genuine customer inquiries reach the next stage. By the time the message leaves the gateway, it is clean, structured, and ready for intelligent handling, paving the way for smooth automation and accurate routing. Before the message even reaches a human agent, many contact centers deploy an AI-powered chatbot or virtual assistant as the first point of contact. The bot greets the customer instantly, no waiting, no delays, creating a fast and friendly experience from the very start. It then works to understand the customer's need by capturing intent. For example, it might ask, "What's your order number?" Or, "How can I help you today?" In many cases, the bot can solve common issues right away, things like resetting a password, checking an order status, or answering frequently asked questions. For account-related requests, it may even authenticate the customer using details like an account ID or a one-time password, ensuring security and accuracy before moving forward. If the bot fully resolves the issue, the journey ends here, quick, efficient, and entirely self-service. But if the problem needs a human touch, the conversation is smoothly passed along, moving next into the chat queue for a live agent. If the chatbot or virtual assistant determines that a human agent is needed, the conversation moves into the chat queue, a virtual waiting area similar to what happens in voice calls, but designed specifically for digital channels. Here, the system begins applying intelligent routing rules. It looks at factors like the agent's skill set, for example, billing inquiries, technical troubleshooting, or sales questions. It also considers the customer's language preference to ensure clear and effective communication. Another critical factor is priority handling, so a VIP customer or a high-value account may be moved to the front of the line automatically. While this happens behind the scenes, the customer sees a simple, reassuring message, "An agent will be with you shortly." This stage ensures that when the chat is assigned, it goes to the right agent with the right skills, reducing resolution time and improving the overall experience. Once the chat reaches the front of the queue, the routing engine takes over. This intelligent system scans multiple factors in real time to identify the best available agent for the job. First, it checks agent availability, making sure the agent is free to take on a new conversation without delay. Next, it considers skills and expertise. For example, a technical support query will be directed to a tech-trained agent, while a billing issue will go to someone familiar with finance processes. It also evaluates the agent's current workload because, unlike voice calls, where agents handle one customer at a time, chat agents often manage multiple conversations concurrently. When the right match is found, the chat is instantly offered to the selected agent, ensuring the customer connects with the person best equipped to resolve their issue quickly and effectively. As soon as the routing engine identifies the best match, the chat is offered to the agent through their CRM or desktop application. A notification instantly pops up on the agent's screen, alerting them to the incoming conversation. Along with the alert, the customer's entire message history is displayed so the agent can see what's been discussed so far. Any information collected by the bot or IVR system, like the customer's name, account number, or issue details, appears automatically, giving the agent full context before they even type their first word. With a single click, the agent accepts the chat, and the live conversation begins, ensuring a smooth and informed handover from the system to the human representative. Now begins the heart of the interaction, the active chat conversation. The agent and customer exchange real-time messages, with the agent juggling multiple conversations at once, often 2 to 5 chats concurrently, thanks to the efficiency that digital channels provide. To maintain speed and consistency, agents often use canned responses or templates for common queries. In many centers, AI-suggested replies assist agents by recommending quick, accurate answers based on the customer's messages. Customers, on the other hand, can share screenshots, attachments, or links directly in the chat window, helping the agent understand and resolve issues faster. And if needed, the agent can transfer the chat to another department or escalate it to a supervisor, ensuring the customer's problem is handled by the right person with the right level of expertise. Once the customer's issue is resolved, the agent moves to the chat resolution and wrap-up stage. The conversation is closed, but the agent's work doesn't end there. Immediately after, they perform what's called after-chat work, or ACW, a crucial step for maintaining accurate records and ensuring seamless follow-up if needed. This includes tagging the chat with appropriate labels, such as order inquiry or technical support, so future analysis can categorize the interaction properly. The agent then writes quick notes in the CRM, summarizing the resolution and any key information discussed during the chat. Finally, the case is marked as resolved or flagged for follow-up if additional action is required, ensuring the customer's journey is fully documented and the business retains a complete interaction history. After the chat ends, the system moves into post-interaction processing, a stage focused on insights, follow-ups, and continuous improvement. First, a CSAT survey may be sent directly to the customer, asking, "How satisfied are you with our chat support?" This immediate feedback helps measure customer experience in real time. Next, the system may email the full chat transcript to the customer for their records, ensuring transparency and clarity about the conversation. Behind the scenes, the entire interaction is stored securely for analytics and compliance, building a detailed record for quality audits and future reference. Finally, analytics tools measure critical contact center KPIs like average handle time, AHT, first contact resolution, FCR, and customer satisfaction, CSAT, providing valuable data to improve efficiency, agent performance, and customer experience over time. In summarization, the chat journey begins the moment a customer opens a chat channel. It could be through the familiar Chat with Us Now widget on a website, within a mobile app for banking or e-commerce, or on messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or even SMS. For example, a customer might type, "I need help tracking my order." From here, the message flows through the channel gateway, the system that connects multiple sources into the contact center. Whether it's a website, an app, or a social platform, the gateway standardizes every message, text, images, attachments, while filters work quietly in the background to block spam or irrelevant content. Next, many organizations use an AI-powered bot or virtual assistant as the first point of contact. The bot greets the customer, captures intent, answers common questions, and even handles basic tasks like authentication. If the bot resolves the issue, the journey ends here. Otherwise, the chat moves to a queue for human support. In the chat queue, intelligent rules come into play, matching customers with the right agents based on skills, language, and priority level. VIP customers or urgent issues can be moved to the front automatically, while others wait with a reassuring message, "An agent will be with you shortly." Then comes the routing decision stage. Here, the system evaluates agent availability, expertise, and workload. Unlike voice calls, where agents handle one customer at a time, chat support often allows 2 to 5 concurrent conversations, increasing efficiency without compromising quality. Once the right agent is found, the chat is offered through their CRM or desktop application. A notification appears with the customer's message history and any bot-collected data, so the agent is ready with full context before responding. This leads to the active conversation stage, the heart of the interaction. Agents use canned responses, AI-suggested replies, and templates for speed, while customers can share screenshots or links for clarity. If needed, chats can be transferred or escalated to ensure quick resolution. When the issue is solved, the agent moves to wrap-up or after-chat work, ACW, tagging the chat, writing notes in the CRM, and marking it as resolved or flagged for follow-up. Finally, in post-interaction processing, the system sends CSAT surveys, emails the chat transcript to the customer, and stores interaction data for analytics and compliance. Metrics like average handle time, first contact resolution, and customer satisfaction are measured to improve future performance. What sets chat apart from voice is clear. Concurrent handling, one agent managing multiple chats at once. Asynchronous nature, customers can leave and return later without losing context. And bots playing a bigger role upfront, reducing workload on human agents while providing faster resolutions. Together, these steps create a seamless, efficient, and customer-friendly support experience built for the digital age. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.